Assalamu alaikum. This is Sharup Mujumdar welcoming you all to the English news from BTV Chattogram. Let's begin with the headlines. Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus calls upon to remain united for resisting defeated forces out to halt election creating chaos. Two more born victims die in the Milestone School and College jet crash incident. Warriors of July. Chattogram organizes July anniversary celebration to honor July martyr families and injured warriors. Restoring public trust in electoral system, biggest challenge for Election Commission, says Chief Election Commissioner. Reforms can't happen overnight as it must occur through continuous process, says BNP's Secretary General. Another 12 killed in ongoing border clash between Thailand and Cambodia, with death toll taking to 32. And India batting against England at second innings of fourth test at Old Trafford. Those were the headlines. Now moving on to the details. Chief Advisor Professor Mohammad Yunus said the defeated forces are out to halt the election by creating chaos. So all anti-fascist forces must remain united to resist their ill efforts. He said this at a meeting with top leaders of different political parties at the State Guest House Jamuna in the capital. The chief advisor said the defeated forces are creating various kinds of chaos whenever they get the opportunity to do so. By doing this, they are seriously disrupting the country's usual progress, he added. He sought cooperation of all political parties to organize fair elections. Aminul Haq Tipu Bishesh from Jatiyo Ganofront, Mustafa Jamal Haider from the 12-Party Alliance, Maulana Abdul Majid Athari of Nizam-e-Islam Party, Maulana Yusuf Ashraf from Bangladesh Khilafat Majlis, Farid-uz-Zaman Farhad from National People's Party, Dr. Mustaq Hussain of Bangladesh Jashid, Nationalist Democratic Movements, Bobby Hajjaj, Mufti Shakwat Hussain Raji from Islami Oikojot, Rafiqul Islam Bablu from Bhashani Janashakti Party, Dr. Mustafizur Rahman Iran of Bangladesh Labour Party, Masood Rana from Bangladeshir Shamajtantrik Dol Marxist, and Manjurul Islam Afandi from Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam were present at the meeting. At the onset of the meeting, 1 minute silence was observed in memory of those who died in the recent jet crash into Milestone School and College in the city, and dua was offered seeking eternal peace of their departed souls. Two more born victims have died in the Milestone School and College jet crash incident. Those are Jarif, a student of Class 7 of Milestone School and College, and Masuma, a staff member of the institute. They passed away this morning while undergoing treatment. Now, 38 patients are admitted at the Ban Institute. Medical teams from China, Singapore and India are providing coordinated treatment alongside Bangladeshi doctors. Warriors of July. Chattogram organized a July anniversary celebration, cultural programs and a dua mahfil to honor the families of July martyrs and injured warriors. Liberation War Affairs Advisor Farooq-e-Azam Bir Pratik was the chief guest in the program held at the District Shilpakala Academy Auditorium today, presided over by convener of Warriors of July Chattogram Abdullah Al-Shahid, Civil Surgeon Dr. Jahangir Alam, local leaders of various political parties and July warriors and their family members were present in the program. The program honored the families of martyrs and injured warriors, political parties and private hospitals that provided treatment to the injured in July and August. A commemoration meeting of BNP Vice Chairman and former Minister Abdullah Al-Numan, organized by Chattogram Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Sivasu, was held. Fisheries and Livestock Advisor Farid Akhtar was the chief guest at the meeting held at the university's conference room today. She said Abdullah Al-Numan did nothing from a party perspective while he was a minister in the government. The work he did in the ministry was done for the people with far-sighted plans. For this reason, the subsequent party governments followed his plans and works. At the same time, they were compelled to take his plans forward. The advisor called upon to follow Abdullah Al-Numan when it comes to working for the people. Sivasu Vice-Chancellor Professor Dr. Muhammad Lutfur Rahman presided over, while Professor Dr. Sikandar Khan, late Abdullah Al-Numan's son, Saeed Al-Numan, daughter Dr. Tazin Numan, University Student Welfare Director Professor Dr. Rashidul Alam, East Delta University Vice-Chancellor Professor Dr. Muhammad Najimuddin, University External Affairs Director Dr. AKM Saifuddin, Chattogram Press Club Member Secretary Jahidul Karim Kochi and university teachers, among others, addressed the occasion. Chief Election Commissioner A.M.M. Nasiruddin has said that restoring public trust in the electoral system is currently the biggest challenge for the Election Commission. Efforts are underway to encourage people to go to the polling stations, he said. Nasiruddin made these remarks today while exchanging views with journalists in Khulna as part of preparation for the 13th national parliamentary election. The CEC said that various false information and rumors are being spread centering the election. To counter these, the Commission is working in coordination with experts. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir said that reforms cannot happen overnight. Reforms must occur through a continuous process. He made the remarks today while speaking guest at a discussion titled July Revolution, Expectations and Achievements as a chief guest. Jia Parishad organized the discussion at the National Press Club, marking the anniversary of the July 2024 revolution and the fall of fascist Kila Hasina. Jia Parishad Vice Chairman Professor Dr. Muhammad Shafiqul Islam presided over the function, while central leaders of the organization addressed, among others. Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir said over the past 15 years, the Awami League has destroyed all democratic institutions. This damage cannot be easily repaired. BNP Standing Committee member Amir Khusru Mahmood Chaudhry said the nationalist forces were involved in the anti-fascist movement for 16 years. Therefore, everyone will have to work together to build a new Bangladesh. He said this at a Chattogram divisional rally organized by the Bangladesh Sammilito Peshajibi Porishad in Chattogram in the afternoon. Sammilito Peshajibi Porishad Chattogram convener Jahidul Karim Kochi presided over, while BNP Standing Committee member Dr. A.Z.M. Jahid Hussain, City Mayor Dr. Shadat Hussain, Sammilito Peshajibi Porishad member Secretary Kadir Ghani Chaudhry and other BNP and professional leaders addressed the occasion. The speaker said the 31-point state repair proposal of BNP is one of the reform programs which is not for any particular party. They called upon to come forward unitedly regardless of race, religion and caste to build a prosperous Bangladesh of the future. As part of the July March to Build the Nation program, the National Citizen Party NCP held a street rally in Maulavi Bajar today. Central leaders of the NCP participated in the rally. Meanwhile, the NCP will also hold a street rally in Kishoreganj this afternoon. Central leaders of the NCP are present at both events. Now, international news. Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim said Thailand and Cambodia had agreed to a ceasefire but needed time to pull back their troops from the border. Bangkok said it fully agrees in principle with Malaysian Prime Minister's proposal, while Phnom Penh said it accepted the ceasefire but blamed Thailand for reversing it. Cambodian officials have reported another 12 people killed as a result of the ongoing border dispute with Thailand, with the death toll on both sides now standing at 32, as fears grow that the Southeast Asian neighbors may become engulfed in an extended conflict. The two Southeast Asian neighbors have a disputed border lying across Cambodia's Pre Vier province and the northeastern province of Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand. Israel has allowed foreign countries to send aid to the besieged Gaza Strip from Friday, according to a report by the Israeli military's radio quoting a military official. However, there has been no immediate response from Israel's military spokesperson regarding a request for comment from Reuters. The Gaza Ministry of Health has stated that Israel blocked aid entry into the Palestinian territory last March. Since then, more than 100 people have died of starvation in the territory. Meanwhile, the United Nations Food Aid Program has warned that 1 in 3 people in the Gaza Strip is spending their days without food. According to the organization, malnutrition is increasing in Gaza. 90,000 women and children need urgent medical care. The warning about hunger in Gaza has intensified further this week. According to the health ministry there, 9 more people died from malnutrition in Gaza yesterday. This brings the total number of deaths due to hunger and malnutrition in the region to 122 since the start of Israel's war in Gaza. Meanwhile, renowned famine expert Professor Alex de Waal has accused Israel of committing genocide through the creation of hunger in Palestinian Gaza. He mentioned that this situation has been created through a blockade in the region. In addition, over 1,000 Palestinians have been killed while trying to collect food from a controversial relief center of the Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, GHF.